Behind me here is my 2018 WRX that we're going to be putting back to stock. Something nobody's ever done on YouTube. Now, I messed up when I initially bought this car because I had so many opportunities to make so many videos on this car based off of everything that I've done to it. Let me give some for instances. My VLAN taillights, my aggressive duckbill. She's lowered on BC coilovers. My AWE track exhaust. The mod everybody does, the fourth brake light. Carbon fiber steering wheel. My access port. My triple gauge pod here. I did a short throw shifter. My iDoing head unit. I did a full Recaro STI swap and added the power. My little door pulls instead of door handles. My VLAN headlights, which to me look the best. I did the grill, little fog light bezels I did here with the turn signal. If we pop the hood, there is so much stuff under here. My Velocitec Big Mouth intake, my Grimspeed intake, Grimspeed charge pipe, Process West intercooler, IAG catch can, or AOS, which is air oil separator, my Radium master cylinder brace. I did a little battery conversion. If you look down in here, I have my Grimspeed J pipe right there. And if you were to look even closer, you would see that I have my boost controller from Grimspeed. My turbo inlet is from Grimspeed. I have Killer Bee external wastegate headers, which is basically what made me fall in love with this car when I first got it and I did all that stuff to it. That was by far my favorite thing I've ever done to this car, was the external wastegates. So cool. But like I said, we're going to be putting her back to stock, so there's going to be multiple videos of taillight removal, how to change your duckbill, how to change the exhaust. The only thing is I'm going to be going from aftermarket back to stock. And that's what I think nobody has ever done. Everybody always records themselves doing the mod. Well, I could show you and input videos of before and after because I have everything already. Everything that I've ever done with this car. And now I'll be going back to stock for the next car that I'm going to buy when I trade this in. And I'm not lying, I'm sure I'm missing something I've done to this thing. I have literally touched everything. But for me, it makes sense because of all of my mechanical knowledge to put this back to stock and sell all the parts separately. So if you see any parts in any of my videos that you want to buy, hit me up on Instagram, Big Mitch Garage. But I'm ready to start this journey on getting a next car. So if you're excited to see what I get next, or if you're excited to see all the videos on me tearing this thing apart because you want something, or you're going to do something like this to your own car, subscribe.